Unpacking, slothful, understanding its meaning and use. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss. The word, slothful. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and even its origins. So stay tuned, and let's dive into the world of English vocabulary together. Slothful is an adjective, and it describes someone who is lazy, inactive, or showing a lack of effort. When you call someone slothful, you're saying that they are not willing to work or use any energy. It has a negative connotation, implying that the person's laziness is a bad thing. For example, if someone spends their entire day on the couch watching TV and avoiding chores, you might describe them as slothful. Now that we know what slothful means, let's look at some examples to understand how to use it in a sentence. 1. Despite having a lot of work to do, Jake was slothful and spent the day playing video games. Here, Jake is being described as lazy because he is avoiding his responsibilities. 2. The teacher was frustrated with the slothful students who didn't complete their homework. In this sentence, the students are described as slothful because they did not put in the effort to do their homework. The word, slothful, has been in the English language for a very long time, and it comes from the Middle English word, slothful, which means lazy. It is related to the word, sloth, which is an animal known for moving very slowly. The connection here is the idea of slowness or inactivity. To expand your vocabulary even further, let's look at some synonyms and antonyms of slothful. Synonyms: words with similar meanings. Lazy, lethargic, inactive, indolent, lackadaisical. Antonyms: words with opposite meanings. Active, energetic, industrious, diligent, hardworking. And that's it for today's lesson on the word, slothful. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more comfortable using this word in your everyday English. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a great way to improve your language skills, so keep practicing and don't be slothful in your learning journey. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in the next video.